Alright, what up y'all? It is Nubia420. Actually, I don't know if this is going to work or not. This is completely unfounded. I'm literally recording my test experiment. But I wanted to take some canna sugar that I made and turn it into water ice so that I can have infused water ice, because I'm from South Jersey, Philly area. It's the summertime. It's getting hot. We love it down here. And so that's what I want to try to do today. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I guess we're going to find out together. Let's go. Alright, so I have some Minute Maid mango punch. So it's really going to be mango infused water ice. I have mango nectar. This rocks. I don't know if you guys like fruit juice or not, but this stuff is really good. Then I have my canna sugar here. And this is the dish I'm going to do it in. So the recipe I looked up said that you can pretty much just freeze juice in your freezer, but every 30 minutes, I believe it is, you want to go and just scrape it with a fork to keep it from forming a solid. So that's what we're going to try. So let's get started. All right, now first thing we're going to do is I want to dissolve the sugar first. Maybe you don't have to, but I want to. So I'm going to take my sugar here. Looks great. Look at that. Woohoo. The only thing with this sugar is that I made it with a tincture that a friend gave us. So I really have no idea how strong it is. We're just gonna go for it. So half a cup of sugar. Then I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of hot water to dissolve it. So this, if you watch the simple syrup video, this is literally exactly that, with the exception of instead of 1 to 1, it is 1 to 1/2. Now, I don't know if this step is necessary. I'm choosing to do this step in hopes that it will make it a little bit better. So that's the hot water. We got our sugar in there. Now, it doesn't have to completely dissolve. That's not what we're going for here. I just want to make it easier for the juice and the nectar to mix in. Okay, so then next we're going to go ahead and add our nectar here. We're going to do 1 full cup of nectar and 1 full cup of juice. So that's our nectar. I know these aren't really measuring cups for wet ingredients, but they'll work. So nectar's in. Alright, so you can see those black bits here. That's from, again, like any other video, our tincture not being strained great before it goes into the sugar. This is for personal use. For me, I don't really care that it's there. Like, it doesn't bother me. Some of the bigger chunks I'll just like scoop out, you know, with a fork or something, and just keep it moving. If you want to run it through like a coffee filter or something, you can, or even run it through mesh. You can certainly do that. It actually catch quite a bit if you run it through some mesh. I'll see how I feel after I have the juice. All right, now we have our juice here. We're going to do 1 cup of juice. Put that in, and then we'll see what we have. That doesn't look bad. see if this works. All right, so then this is our mixture, 2 and a quarter cup. We'll say 2 cups. So we have like 2 cups here, and let's put this in the freezer. And then every 30 minutes, I'm gonna set a timer. Every 30 minutes, I'm gonna come up and I'm going to stir it up. Okay, so it's actually been an hour. I started doing some stuff and forgot all about it. So here we go. You can see the middle is still very liquid. The sides are starting to freeze up. So we're just gonna mix this up. And what I read, this agitation is supposed to be what, you know, gives you that nice water ice texture. So that was an hour. See little bits already. I'm just gonna do that. All right, that's done. Put the lid back on. Let's put it back in. All right, so it's been about another hour. I'm again getting everything off the edge. It's getting close to consistency, I think. The center's still super wet, but like, you know, get all this broken up with your fork and then stick it back in and do it again. So that's what it's looking like now. Oh yeah, that's almost there. I could probably even just freeze it just like this. Oh, this is awesome. Alright, y'all, this is it. 3 hours. It's like nice. It's mixed up. So now I think it can go just in the freezer permanently. Either individual things or not. But that's it. This is it. This doesn't look bad. Right there. It's actually really nice. Oh wow. So I can taste the cannabis a little bit more than you can in most things that we make, but it's actually really good. Like, I am looking forward to eating this all summer. We're probably going to get little containers to store them in so that we can have like individual size portions already, just because, you know, the longer it stays in the freezer, the harder it's going to get, the harder it's going to be to scoop out. But probably get like some single serve containers and save them that way. But this is really good. Everyone should try making their own water ice, even if it's not infused. Like, it's just great for a nice hot humid day like it is today. And yeah, that's great, man. If you like this, like, subscribe, do all that good shit, share it with people, and yeah, made water ice today. How cool is that? All right, have a good one. Peace.